Hey guys, this is a quick look at another wall mount computer I built for a client. This one has the same approach as my other builds. All the components are laid out on a flat board mounted on backlit acrylic trays. This one has a lot more stuff than my mini build and a lot less stuff than my V2 build. So it's just in between. Let's take a look at the parts. This guy here is the motherboard tray. All the standoffs are screwed into the board, and the two silver tapes are hiding LED strips underneath for the backlighting. This guy here is the mount for a H100i radiator and the fans. This is the power supply tray, the GPU tray designed for the length of the GTX 780 Ti or the Titan. This one here is for two SSDs and beyond a reset switch. If you're wondering what these holes are, they are for the glass standoffs. So eventually there will be 4 of those on each corner and a big piece of acrylic over the entire build. Let me pop you up on the tripod and I'll flip the board over to show you how the backlighting is done. So these are the white things, are the LED strips. They're just RGB 50/50 surface mount LED strips I bought off eBay, and they come in 10-meter reels, I believe, and 4-strand wires that are soldered to the strips to connect them all. This white box here is the controller. This guy here is a little custom PCB designed to keep the backlight lit even while the computer's off. And to do that, I actually spliced into the 24 pin to get the 5-volt standby out of it, this wire here. And there's a relay on the board, so once the computer actually turns on, it switches to the 12 volt. So when the computer's off, you'll have a dimmer backlighting. And that's what the client actually wanted. Let me show you that in action. So this is when the computer's on, very bright, and turned off, a little dimmer. On again, and off. So I hope you like the build. See y'all later.